When it comes to personal hygiene, we all have different habits. So hearing what other people do or what magazines recommend can have us questioning if we are doing things right. Despite what you have heard from your friends or coworkers, there are a number of hygiene myths that just aren't true, and it's time to put those rumors to rest. 1. Your sweat smells. Nowadays, the general perception is that our sweat smells, and it is what gives us our natural body odor. However, this is incorrect, as 99% of our sweat is composed of water, and it's odorless. The apocrine glands found in the armpit secrete sweat with a higher content of proteins, and some of these proteins have odorant molecules bonded to them. The bacteria living in our armpits decompose the proteins in our sweat, releasing these odorant molecules. This is actually why our sweat has a scent, and sometimes a very unpleasant one. 2. You shouldn't moisturize oily skin. If you have oily skin, you might think it's best to shy away from moisturizers, but your skin may actually be too dry, which is why your body is trying to naturally produce more oil. Oily skin requires moisturizing just as much as dry skin. Using a light moisturizer for oily skin will curb sebum production within skin glands. 3. You should shower every day. Showering daily is more of a social norm than an actual necessity. Too frequent showering can dry out your skin and your hair, and it can strip your skin of its natural oils and immune system supporting bacteria. 4. It's better to pop a pimple. The truth is, even though it feels really good to pop it, a lot can go wrong when we start picking. We often pick too much, creating a bigger wound for the body to heal. And when we squeeze it, we can push some of the pus deeper into the skin, causing more inflammation. 5. Not brushing or flossing only damages your teeth. So you haven't been to the dentist in a few years. No big deal, right? Wrong. Oral hygiene is more important than just protecting against cavities and gum disease. Poor oral health can harm your heart and increase your risk of diabetes, osteoporosis, and Alzheimer's disease, according to Mayo Clinic. 6. Cotton swabs are a safe way to clean out earwax. While many regularly use cotton swabs to clean their ears, the truth is, it's not safe. Using a cotton swab or Q-tip can actually push earwax further into your ear canal, causing impaction and discomfort, and trap bacteria in the ear, which can lead to infection. Though earwax can be annoying, uncomfortable, or itchy, it actually helps prevent the ear from getting too dry and protects it from harmful substances like dirt and bacteria. In most cases, it's unnecessary to clean out your ears, as earwax usually naturally moves to the outer ear and falls out on its own through chewing and other jaw motions.